Hi guys, this is your girl Keisha here. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna cook rice and peas. However, this video is part 3 of 3. So I already done 1, 2, and this make 3 to demonstrate the way I done my veg and fry cabbage fish. And now this is my video for rice and peas. So yes guys, for you to achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so here have my peas that I soak overnight with garlic. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So yes guys, not that much salt, so I had 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to leave it on the stove to cook, and then when it finish you will see the end for the completely cooked red peas. Okay, so now I'm going to show it to you here. It's already cooked. It's quite soft, and there it is. So this is the red peas I've cooked and ready to go. Very soft, as you see. I'm squeezing it for you to see. It have to be soft when you do your red peas. You're gonna have to make sure guys your red peas is soft. So okay, so there you see we pick up 1 stalk of scallion. So it's washed. Slice it up, still older, but I make sure I slice it to wash it properly. And there I put just a small piece of thyme in it, and I washed it my green scotch bonnet pepper, and that also added. Over here I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of all-purpose. So yes guys, we're getting there. So now we have 1 tin of coconut milk thrown out in this bowl here, added in my peas. So looking good, looking good, looking good. So what are we preparing here? We getting ourselves to do our delicious Jamaican rice and peas. So there it is. Stir. Make sure your scallion and your thyme and your pepper and everything well stir up. The next step, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. There it is. So 1 tablespoon of butter. So stir well and have your butter dissolve. I'm tasting it to make sure it's well seasoned. And yes guys, tastes delicious, and it's not finished as yet. So this is how you know your rice and peas gonna be really tasty, because you don't want your rice and peas to be saggy, neither taste insipid, or just not done the proper respectful way for Jamaican authentic rice and peas. Okay, so we leave it to cook down. The next moment, there it is. We're gonna check. So I have just a bit of pimento, so that is a dry whole pimento, added in my rice and peas. Added in my pot, as you see. So now we checked it again, and it's come to a boil. All looking good, and it smells so good, and everything is not completely finished. It really smells good. Wow. So you stir, make sure your peas is not stick in the bottom of the pan and everything, season out and cooking out properly. Because here, although my peas already cooked, you still have to cook your season and your milk a bit before you add your rice, as what I just showed you. So I'm going to wash my rice. So there it is. So I washed it till you saw the water look very clear. So that's the way you want your rice water to look. You don't want to just throw the rice in the pan and not wash it. So in my opinion, you should wash your rice properly to get some of the starch out, or because you can't get all the starch out, but you can do your best to get most of the starch off your rice, and make sure the water showing clear after you wash your rice. So now I'm going to add my rice in the pan. Okay. So I'm going to throw off that water and see if I can rinse down more of the rice to have it much easier to scrape out in the pan. So there it is, all nice and easy. Don't mind if any water get in it, it's just okay. From long as your water is clean and your hand is clean, that's fine. So you're gonna stir well to have your rice and the peas and everything even out in your pan. So yes, stir well, guys. There it is. So I'm gonna cover it now and leave it to cook for around 10 minutes before I checked it again. So when you see me coming back, it's just to check, and there it is. I have my fork ready and lift up my pan to just to give it a next stir, in case you want your peas and your rice to cooked out really good. You don't want your peas to settle up too much at the bottom of the rice and peas, and then you have the rice on the top with few peas and all the peas at the bottom. No. So you're gonna have to stir it properly to get it even out. Because guys, this is a delicious rice and peas here. So you just don't want to spoil it. So we want to make really respect to Jamaican authentic rice and peas. Perfect. So we cover it again and leave it to cook for the next 10 minutes on slow heat. So there it is. I'm back on very slow heat, looking all good. I'm going to stir it again. Yes. So I have all my season, the season all cooked out. My pimento, I've oozed out its flavor. The pepper already oozed out its flavor. So, my coconut milk is cooked. My peas is cooked to it's soft. So now I'm just waiting on my rice to be steam cooked on slow heat in the best way possible. So there it is. We have everything going the right way that I want it to go. So there it is. It smells good, guys. I tell you, this rice and peas is just letting me hungry. It just, it wanted to cook quickly to start to heat because it smells so good here. So I'm gonna leave it again for around the next 5 minutes. Slow heat and very low heat. So this is no rush. This is time. Time is love. So here is love. I'm cooking a nice meal here. So it's really great. So there it is. As I see, the rice is much more sweller in the pot. So that for sure a sign that the rice is cooking, and it's sucked up all the milk. So it's looking wonderful, and it will definitely taste wonderful. So now I'm taking out the thyme and the scallion. I don't want those anymore because I already get out all the flavor from both. So I will just take them out my rice and peas. So there it is. So haul them, get out all the scallion and the thyme as best as you can out of the rice and peas. So it's shelly, it's feel good on the fork, so brilliant, it's looking good. So now I'm going to cover it and leave it to steam for our next 2 minutes. So I remove all the thing I don't want, and now I have my Jamaican fry ex cabbage fish in that pan where I put there. I have my plate over here, and definitely I'm gonna lift the lid off my rice and peas. Beautiful, 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 smell lovely. So there is my Jamaican fry ex cabbage fish, cooked down with carrots, okra, sweet pepper, and very delicious flavor coming through from this meal. So now I have my veg over there in the bowl that you cannot see. Excuse me for that, guys. But the salad that I do in the part 1 video, that's that in the bowl. So now I'm gonna serve myself a portion of rice in this bowl here. So it's lovely, it's hot, it's shelly, it smells good. The peas, the rice, and everything cooked out, and the flavor is packed in this rice and peas. So yes, guys, looking good. So now I'm gonna serve out the fry fish as you see there, and put some okra, carrots, sweet pepper over it with a bit of gravy. Looking good. So yes, guys, I've done here it is, this veg that I've cut up, I shred it very finely. So that is the veg from the part 1. So I do a 3 meal just for you to see separately in part 1, part 2, part 3. So yes, so for you to see the full video of each preparation, then you can watch part 1 and part 2 and part 3. So that's my fresh veg that I done, full of vitamin and minerals. So yes, guys, so I put my frying pan with my cabbage fish one side, So just to make some space here for you to completely see my dish, because it's a one-man show and I have to place my camera at one spot and for you to see what I'm doing. So yes, so I move over my dish here, my plate, with my Jamaican rice and peas, and here I have veg mix, and I have my fried ex cabbage fish cooked on with okra, carrots, sweet pepper, and all different type of herb and spices. So yes guys, so here's my fresh veg, so full of flavor, color is bright, and it's looking good. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There it is. Have a taste. Looking good, and it tastes lovely. Gosh, I've tasted and it tastes really good. It tastes fresh. So here you're having a piece of my parrot fish with a piece of okra. Looking good. I hope you enjoyed it as how I do. So now I'm gonna share with you. So here I gonna have you taste the parrot fish with some sweet pepper and this pack of flavor, guys. So there it is. And now you're gonna have my full pack of vitamin and minerals veg with rice and peas. So looking beautiful, smell good, and the color is just magnificent. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like to see more of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can leave a message below and I will get back to you. Bye.